Welcome back to Sayogini and I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to day 5 of our 21-day yoga habit series. Just in case you have missed the earlier days, I'm going to link the playlist over here so you can start your yoga journey at any time. So today we'll work on gently opening up our shoulders and releasing tension from our upper back. Also then we'll get into stillness with a short Savasana. In the beginning, we'll gently warm up our body so that we can enjoy a deeper stretch of thread the needle later. So let's begin by sitting in a comfortable position and slowly inhaling, you lift your shoulders towards your ears and then exhaling, roll them back and down. We'll repeat this a few times. Take a deep breath in as you lift your shoulders towards your ears. Exhaling, roll them back and down. Inhaling, raise your shoulders up. Exhaling, roll it back and down. Inhaling up. Exhaling, back and down. We'll do this once more. Inhaling, raise your shoulders up. Exhaling, roll it back and down. Now we'll do neck rolls. So gently drop your right ear towards your right shoulder. Slowly roll your head forward and around to the left. Make big slow circles, but go only as far as you're comfortable. Continue making big circles. Slowly and intentionally feel every movement of your stretch. Come back to center and now roll your neck in the opposite direction. Drop your left ear to your left shoulder and slowly begin with big circles. Be very slow and feel every stretch. Come back to center. So now we'll begin with a seated side twist. Inhale at place. Exhaling, twist to your right side. Take your right hand behind you. Keep your left hand on your right knee and twist. We will stay here for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, come back to position. Come back to center. Now again, inhale. Exhaling, twist to your left. Keep your left hand behind you. Keep your right hand on your left knee and twist to the left side. We will stay here for 5 breaths. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, come back to center. We'll repeat this once more. Take a deep inhalation. Exhaling, twist to the right side. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, come back to center. Now we'll repeat it on the other side. Inhale at place. Exhaling, twist to the left side. Keep your right hand on your left knee. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, come back to center and relax. So now we are going to try thread the needle. For that, let's kneel down on the mat. After kneeling down, get onto all the fours. Keep your palm under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Make sure that they are in one line. Okay. Now, just get more comfortable in this position. Take a deep inhalation. Take a deep exhalation. Now, inhaling, take your right hand up into the sky. And exhaling, thread your right hand from under your left shoulder. Bend down. Keep your touch your right shoulder and your temple to the ground and just stay here. Keep breathing and let gravity do its work. This helps to release the tightness in the upper back and shoulders, and it will help to improve the spinal mobility, and it also calms the nervous system. Inhaling slowly, come back up. Keep your right hand at its place. Take a deep breath in place. Now we'll repeat the same on the other side. Inhaling, take your left hand up into the sky. Exhaling, thread your left hand from under your right shoulder. Touch your left shoulder and your temple on the ground. And stay here. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch in your back. Relax. Now slowly come back up. We'll repeat this once more. Take a deep breath in place. Inhaling, take your right hand up into the sky. Exhaling, thread it under your left shoulder. Touch your shoulder and your temple on the ground. Stay here for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, come back. Take a deep breath in place. Now inhaling, take your left hand up into the sky and then thread it under your right shoulder. Keep your left shoulder and your temple on the ground. And then just relax in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, come back. And then walk with your hands back and sit. Now we'll do Savasana. So gently taking support of your hands, lie down on your back. Stretch your legs out. Let your feet fall open. Rest your arms by your side, palms facing up, and slowly close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly out through the mouth. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly out through the mouth. Allow your body to soften. Let your shoulders melt into the mat. Soften your jaw, your eyes, your thoughts. Relax your whole body. There's nothing you need to do right now, so just feel the effects of your practice. Stay here for a few more breaths. Now gently wiggle your toes and fingers and roll onto one side. Slowly taking support of your hand, you can sit back and slowly open your eyes. Thank yourself for showing up today. If you guys enjoyed it, then please do comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you in the next practice. Bye bye.